Across 9 Mile Road from Navy Federal Credit Union is Nature's Trail. Nature's Trail is just a beautiful place of fine homes, well manicured lawns, sidewalks. Most of the homes here are 4-bedroom, start at around 2,500 square feet, going up to 4,000 or so. Some of the smaller homes are in the 300,000, starting in the 300,000 range, and then the largest homes are around 700,000. These homes are three-car garage, brick, and lots of amenities here at the subdivision. And as you can see, just a beautiful place to be here in the northwesternmost part of Pensacola. Nature Trail has a lot of amenities, and my favorite is actually the Nature Trail. So it winds through and is a great place to walk your dog. It's wide path, so you don't have to worry as much about critters coming out to visit you as you're walking. And it has some neat things to look at, such as the lake that is here. I'll show it to you. And it has a little dock here at the lake, little sitting area too. So neat thing to check out here at Nature's Trail. I just got to visit with some friends that live here at Nature's Trail, and they were just telling me how much they enjoy this subdivision. They were about to go on a walk with some of their neighbors and their dogs, and they love it. They love it here, and for good reason. This is a beautiful neighborhood. I'm Rob at Rob Brooks Realty, and this is Nature's Trail.